In this short video, I'm going to show you how to index a Wix website. All you need to do is head over to your Wix dashboard and make sure you do it of the website that you want to index. In my case, I'm on my site 10. So if you have multiple websites, make sure you do it for that particular site you want to index. So once you've done this, head over to the left-hand side of the screen where you find this kind of like side menu here. I want you to go to site and mobile application. Make sure that you hover over it. Don't click on anything. Then from here, go to website and SEO. And then from here, go to SEO. Click on that, and then from here, scroll down and you'll see SEO settings. Go to SEO settings, click on this, and then right at the bottom here, you'll see site preferences. Let search engines index your site. Simply check this box right here, and then it's going to tell you turning on this feature means your site can now be indexed and will be eligible to display in search results. If you're happy with this, click on show site, just like this, and you also get a confirmation on the top that your website will now be indexed. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to index a Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.